On today's video, my 2007 BMW M6 convertible gets fixed with the Boesman Poke. Not that poke, this poke. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis and I buy and sell cars and I talk about the pros and cons and my overall impressions. I do travel videos throughout New England and I talk about my life experiences. Before we get started on how this happened, this is a mini series of the M6. So let's talk about the first few videos. I bought the car. I had the driver's side seat repaired, just a touch up with some paint. Then I got an oil change and there was a concerning rattle noise. It ended up being just the heat shield. I got new tires and I also got the air conditioning recharged. Then I took it to a detail shop to see if I can get the scratches filled in with touch-up paint. Unfortunately, it did not match. We cleaned it up the best we can and then we polished it. And I got a set of floor mats. Okay, so what did happen? The top was working fine, and I noticed the rear window was staying up when the top was down. I didn't think nothing of it at first, and then after a little while, I was like, I wonder if that window goes down. I go online, they show the procedure, the window goes down. I'm like, cool. I left the car in the garage for a week. I didn't touch it. I went to get my tires put on, and it was the hottest day of the year, of course. So when I put the top up, it did not connect at the frame. And I was like, oh, here we go. Here we go. BMW bullshit. Or convertible bullshit. Anyways, I get to the shop. I do my work with the car. Then we try to disconnect the battery, see if we can get that thing to reset. Didn't work. I get home. I go online. I found a video showing the Boesman Poke. You simply just tap on the side where the elbow is, or the arm. Next thing you know, it worked. Didn't work at first. Did not work at first, and I was annoyed. But after doing another few taps, it worked, and I was so happy. All right. You guys know, if you have a convertible, when the top doesn't shut, you freak out. So it closed. Now I waited a few more days, tried it again. Take a look. As you can see, it works fine. I was gonna put some WD-40 on the arm and throughout the little mechanisms, but I decided not to. I'm not gonna mess with anything. Again, today, I went back out and tried it one more time, just to make sure. So let's take a look. So this is what I think caused that problem. Or got into your car and you really put down the rear windows and you hear that little poof, it gets stuck sometimes from not being used. I think that's what happened with the convertible. That rear window from last season has not gone up and down. It got a little stuck and it threw the convertible off just a little bit where it causes problem. So now it's summertime, it should be fine, hopefully. The only thing I get to do, I think, with this car is maybe refurbish the wheels. Other than that, I think it's set to go. I will do my pros and cons video, my overall impressions. I'll get the Insta360 camera, doing some crazy shots. I get the drone. I'll do all those fun shots. The title did come in today, so I can post it up and get it ready for sale. What else? Upcoming videos. Oh, before I get to that, I did sell my 2012 BMW X5 diesel that was tuned, sport package. It was badass. I loved that vehicle. I had it for 1 year. I was going to do a 1 year pros and cons video on it, but it sold last Saturday. 26 miles per gallon, very fast, very quick, but the suspension with the H&R springs was just too much for me. I drive to Boston, I'm swerving, trying to miss all the potholes. I'm slowing down, trying to lighten the hit per se, or to say whatever, to lighten up the hit, okay? So we went to a good home. I hope they enjoy it. It's a BMW, so I'm sure there's gonna be some problems because it's a BMW, but he is a mechanic. He should be able to handle it. What else? Travel videos throughout New England. I do have some other videos coming up talking about my blood clot. It's been a few months. I did have to do a review. I was just waiting for a test to come in. I can talk about that. Other than that, I'm still looking for cars. And until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.